Hey, this is Jake with the Roof Tube. We're working with GAF Repair Pro here, which is a great all-encompassing product. It can be put down in wet conditions. It doesn't need stirred. It's a really nice product to have in your truck at all times. But for right now, we're going to show you how to do some fasteners. So this tip will fit in this plastic, and then you can switch out. Right now, we're going to use our 0.47. This is our fastener grade tip. These are long and skinny. A couple notes. One, you don't want to draw the material through this tip. You want to take it out, draw the material, and then put it back in. One of our seam grade tips, you can have success drawing through this, but in most cases when you're doing fasteners, you want to pull the material up in before you put this tip down. See the tip has an angle there? That will become really critical here in a second. What I do is I put the tip almost straight up and down, but if you'll notice, I keep this edge off the roof, but this is where my eye is watching. So I'm watching that lifted edge, and I'm not all the way. Sometimes I'll watch videos and these poor guys, their hands are all the way through. I actually keep my hand right here, and I'm just actually gonna push against the roof a little bit, and the material's gonna come out. All right. I can show you what it looks like. Okay. So, this is how not to do it. You see how you can still see the fastener head right there? This actually made this little screw less leak-proof because now you have water coming in here. I don't know what that thing is. Now you have water coming in here and getting stuck. That happens, no big deal. You just come back, and sometimes you don't even need more material. You just need to reset your tip over top of it. See, with this product, I have to kind of pull it sort of fast, kind of break that stringer. You'll give yourself about 10-15 minutes to get used to the tool. And then we have two families of tips. We have tips we have designed for fasteners, and then we have tips designed for striping seams, all right? For now, we're gonna start by just talking about sealing fasteners. These are the two tips that I'm gonna recommend for fasteners. And you'll see we're gonna open one of these up here in a little bit. But this is our 0.47 tip. And that means that it's just a little bit less than a ½ inch on the inside. This is our 0.625 tip. And common misconception, people think that this has to do with the size fastener head. It actually isn't the size fastener head, it's the viscosity of the product in the tube. So I've done a little bit of testing already just in preparing for this demo, and I'm gonna recommend the 0.47 with a couple caveats. You may actually prefer the 0.625.